Hey families, hey individuals, let's be real. Recovery is wonderful, but it's not for the faint of heart. It's a long road and we need our team around us. And here's the thing, teams only work when everybody feels connected and invested. And that's why I want to share a simple but powerful tool, the Emotional Piggy Bank. Hi, I'm Brinen. I'm a psychologist and a co-creator of recovery-oriented cognitive therapy. And on this channel, I share practical tools for individuals, families, and mental health professionals, supporting individuals on their recovery journey, navigating psychosis and other mental health conditions. Today, I want to walk you through how the Emotional Piggy Bank can keep relationships strong, even when the recovery journey gets tough. Let's get into it. Think about money for a moment. We save up in a bank account so that when we need to make a withdrawal, we have enough to cover it. If you write a $100 check and you have $99 in your account, it bounces and you get hit with a bunch of fees. But if you have $1,099 in that account, no problem. We can think about relationships in the same way. Every interaction is like a deposit or a withdrawal. Sometimes we need to take a withdrawal, like asking a loved one for a little bit of space, having a tough conversation, telling somebody they need to do their chores, or even if somebody makes a really big mistake. If there aren't enough deposits, the relationship check bounces. What does that look like? Blow-ups, frustration, distancing, suspiciousness, voices talking about your loved one. But if the account is full, if it has a high balance, we might not like that there's a withdrawal, but the relationship doesn't break. It just balances out. So if the answer is making deposits, how do we make these deposits and build this balance? Well, this is the fun part. Through small, positive interactions regularly. It might be spending time together, doing small, kind things, like sending a sweet text, making somebody coffee, sending a funny picture or meme, saying thank you for things that people do, whether it's expected of them or not, offering compliments. And if you're comfortable and it's a part of your family's norm, physical contact, things like hugs, high fives, or other small gestures of affection. At first, families are going to have to be quite intentional. That's going to mean setting a reminder to say thank you, or planning some of those fun moments together. And I know you're watching this saying, isn't that forced? Isn't that just phony? But this is a new behavior for you. And any new behavior we need to plan out so that way we're more likely to be successful. Over time, it will become natural. So if the hard moments come, and we know they will, you've got plenty of deposit in that piggy bank to cover all the withdrawals you need to, and the relationship doesn't get damaged. And one of the nice parts about this approach, so much of what we have to do in the process of recovery can feel heavy and down and difficult. It might be focused on symptoms or problems or what's not working. The Emotional Piggy Bank, it's focused on good stuff. Sharing ice cream, binge watching a TV show, sending a funny meme about a dog, laughing together. Sounds pretty awesome to me. Not only is that fun, it's gonna fuel that journey together. So that's the Emotional Piggy Bank. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Keep making those deposits. When the recovery journey gets tough, you'll have the reserves you need to stay connected. In the comments section, leave an example of some deposits that you put in the Emotional Piggy Bank for somebody that you love. It might give an idea to somebody else. If you're looking for more tools like this, check out my book, Living Well with Psychosis. Available from Guilford Press and anywhere you buy books. You can find the link below. And if you've already read it, please consider leaving a thoughtful review on Amazon.com. It really helps spread the word. Or spread the word yourself. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and share it with somebody who could use a little encouragement along their recovery journey. Thanks so much. See you soon.